Hello everyone, we just parked up in the train station here in Blackburn. We're going to Manchester Market.
Joe forgot to mention it's Manchester Christmas markets.
Hurry up!
It's really cold on the station and I'm regretting my choice of coming on the train now. I wish that I had brought my gloves.
I'm alright. I'm my full gear.
2 adult return tickets from Blackburn to Manchester cost us £18.60, which was the walk-up fare on the day. The journey took us just over an hour with a change at Preston. We don't tend to use trains very often, so the journey was a little bit confusing, trying to find out which platform we was on and where to go for the next train. But in the end, we didn't have any issues and the staff were very helpful. And the reason we took the train today is that we wasn't sure whether we wanted to have a drink of alcohol or not. And in the end, we did end up having a couple of drinks, which you can just see later in the video.
Welcome to Manchester Market. Have a look what we get. This is us arriving at Manchester Christmas Market. We had a walk around and we was looking to have some food, but in the end we get a little bit cold and decided we would go and find somewhere to eat inside instead.
These wooden bench sculptures were amazing, but they weren't cheap. There was some copyright music playing in the background, so I've removed the sound from this section and we'll add a little bit of music from the YouTube audio library instead. We decided it was time to grab a bite to eat and have a drink, so we stopped at Wetherspoons in Piccadilly. I had bangers and mash with peas and gravy, and I had orange flavoured cider, which was really nice.
And I had grilled chicken burger with mixed berry cider.
We enjoyed the food and drink, it was tasty. It did leave us feeling a little bit full afterwards, so we decided to go for another walk through the markets again. Feeling a little bit sluggish after the food, we thought it'd be nice to stop and have a coffee, just see if it gives us a little perk up. So we went looking for a coffee and found a Starbucks. As we went inside, having had a couple of drinks in Wetherspoons, we needed to visit a toilet, and the toilet that was in the Starbucks was out of order. So Starbucks, you missed a sale there, and we went over the road to Costa and we had drinks and cake and made a quick visit to the loo. Let's get in the queue. This is the queue.
Wait, are you sitting down?
Yeah.
They had a nice cake selection in Costa. I ended up having a blueberry muffin and David had the chocolate tiffin.
We left Costa sometime around 4 o'clock. As you can see, the sun is just starting to set a little and the light levels are starting to drop. The streets are really busy at this time and you can see the crowds wandering through the streets. I'm not sure whether people are working or shopping or probably a mix of both. There's a tram just pulling in there. So we carried on walking round into the evening. It really was starting to get a bit chilly by this time, and as you can see, most people have either got hats on or gloves and are walking quite fast, probably trying to just keep warm. Here we decided to make a little detour and have a little warm up and a visit inside the Arndale Centre. Now that the light's gone lower, you can really start to feel the magic of the Christmas market. The lights are shining brightly and have a lovely glow. It makes it feel very Christmassy. Take care and bye for now.